Hello, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. Students, today's our topic is density of crystal lattice or unit cell. Now, first thing, what is density? You all know that the mass of unit volume is called density. So, the general formula of the density is mass divided by volume. So, now for solid crystal, we can express the density by small d or this rho. So for solid crystal or unit cell, we can say that the mass of the solid or unit cell is equal to the mass of the atoms which are present in unit cell, and the volume is for cubic unit cell is equal to a cube. You know, I have shown here the simple cubic unit cell. So you know the particles are present at corner, and the edge length, which is represented by A. So here we know that all the edge length or sides which are represented A, B, C, so these are equal. So these all edge lengths are equal. So the volume is what? That is equal to A, B and C, or is equal to what? A into A, that is equal to A cube. So for cubic unit cell, the volume is equal to what? It is equal to A cube. So now I have written this formula. You can see the density is equal to mass of the atoms present per unit cell divided by A cube. Here A cube is equal to the volume. So we have to find out the mass of the atoms which are present in a unit cell. So I have written the mass of the unit cell will be equal to what? Is equal to Z into M. Here Z is number of atoms per unit cell and small m is mass of single atom. So the density is again equal to Z into M upon A cube. Now, so we have to find out here the small m, that is mass of single atom. So for this purpose we have to use the mole concept. Now you all know, according to mole concept, what is the molar mass? You know the molar mass is mass of 6.022 or 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. So if we use the mole concepts, so we can say that the mass of 6.022 or 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23 particles is equal to what? Molar mass, or a capital M. I have used here capital M, that is the molar mass. So you know this number is called Avogadro number. So I can also represent this number by Na. So we can say the mass of the Na particle is what? M. So the mass of one particle is equal to what? M upon Na. So when you take the molar mass of any substance and divide by Avogadro number, so you have the mass of single particle. So the mass of single particle, that is small m, is equal to what? Molar mass divided by Avogadro number. So we can substitute this value in the formula. So the formula was D is equal to Z into small m upon A cube. So just substitute the value of small m. So you will have this formula D is equal to Z into capital M upon Na into A cube. So that is the formula we will use to calculate the density of the unit cell or crystal lattice. In this formula you can understand D, small d, or we can use rho, that is density of the crystal. Z, it is number of particle per unit cell. And you know that we may have the different type of unit cell. Suppose we have simple cubic, then the value of Z, you know, that is 1. And if you have BCC, the value of Z is 2. And if you have FCC, the value of Z is 4. We already calculated in previous lectures. Now M is molar mass. Suppose you take an example, suppose we take sodium. So for sodium 23, that is 23 gram per mole. That is the molar mass of what? Or you can say gram atomic mass of the sodium. Now, Na, that is Avogadro number, 6.022 or 6.023 into 10 raised to power 23. And A, that is age length. So for cubic unit cell, the volume will be what? A into A. So that is equal to what? AQ. So that is the formula of the unit cell density. Now, one more important thing is there. Generally, for the unit of the density, in CGS we use gram per centimeter cube. So if you have the age length in other unit, it means it is not in centimeter, then you have to convert into what? Centimeter. Suppose you are given the value in picometer or nanometer, then you have to convert the picometer or nanometer into what? Centimeter. So you can convert, it is very easy, 1 picometer is equal to what? 10 raised to power minus 12 meter, and 1 meter it is equal to what? 100 centimeter or 10 raised to power 2 centimeter. So you can easily convert the picometer into centimeter. So you can say 1 picometer is equal to 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. And similarly, 1 nanometer is equal to what? 10 raised to power minus 9 meter, and 1 meter, that is 10 raised to power 2 centimeter. So you can convert easily. 1 nanometer is equal to what? 10 raised to power minus 7 centimeter. So use this conversion if you require. Now, so I think you understood the formula and how we got the formula of the density of the crystal. Now, the numerical based on this formula, we can solve some numerical. So I have a numerical. Generally in numerical, the density of the crystal may be asked, or the particle per unit cell or type of unit cell may be asked. So one numerical we have here: silver from FCC unit cell, if the age length is 408.6 picometer, calculate the density of the silver. And atomic mass, that is the molar mass, is given to you, that is 107.94 gram per mole. So now, first thing, when you solve the numerical, first you should find out what value we have here. So if you see this numerical, you can read carefully this numerical, and you can see that we have given FCC unit cell. It shows that the number of particle per unit, that is Z, is equal to 4 for FCC. Now, second age length is given, that is 408.6 picometer. So we have to convert this picometer into what? Centimeter. So we have converted here. You can see it is 408.6 into 10 to the minus 10 centimeter. Now next, molar mass is given, that is 107.94. For silver you can also take 108 gram per mole. So now we have to substitute this old value in the formula. We have to calculate density. So density is equal to Z into M upon A cube into Na. Now Na, that is Avogadro number. So just substitute these values here, or keep the values here. So Z is equal to 4, and the molar mass, that is 107.94, and that is A cube. So A is, that is in centimeter, 408.6 into 10 raised to power minus 10, that is whole cube, into the value of Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So first you solve this power, and you will, when you solve this one, you can see next step. So you will have your answer in what? Gram per centimeter cube. So you can see the whole numerical. Thank you. We will continue next period. Thanks.